Seeing this makes me realize how many weeks there are in a year. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my NCT Dream Seasons greeting, and I'll be setting it up, so if you're interested in that, be sure to continue watching. I actually joined two group orders. One is for the photo cards that came with the seasons greeting, and then the next one is the diary. I didn't buy the entire set, but hopefully next year I will buy one and unbox it. So here's the first one. This one is the diary. I've been waiting to open this for a while, so I'm so excited to open it. Oh, so cute! Look at it. It's so cute, and it fits like perfectly in this frame. Let's open it, and it has all their names on it. One of my favorite things that I like about this is how simple it looks on the outside. Like, it doesn't have like full big photos of like their faces on it, so I can obviously take this outside and no one will think that I carry random people's photos on the cover of my journals. So that's pretty fun, and I'm just really excited to open it. The book itself is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I didn't think it was going to be this thin, but I guess since it's a pretty decent sized planner, I'm actually really happy that it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, so I can carry it around. Oh wow, look at the colors. Okay, I really like the green and purple colors. And here is the calendar. It has all of their names on the bottom, and I love the font for this. It's really pretty. I just really enjoy looking at the different graphic design and typography aspects of it. Oh, and here's the photos. So the photos are in like this little paper-like. And there's Renjin, Jeno, Haechan, Jimin, Sunla, and Jisung. And then here's the January calendar. And then here's all of the weeks. So how many do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's a notes page. Oh, and this is like their birthday, so I guess there's like a little note here for each of their birthdays. They like write a little note. The smell of the planner is like very manufactured smell, but yeah, I think it repeats for all of them. Seeing this makes me realize how many weeks there are in a year. Oh, and then here's like the last few photos. So here it is. I really enjoy this concept. It's really cute. And that's the end, right? Yep, and then you can write your name and all of your information on here. Very nice. So I'm gonna be using this, and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna set it up later on in this video. Here are the photo cards that I decided to buy that come along with the season's greeting. I only got the Jisung set because that's mainly the member I'm collecting for NCT Dream. For this one, they usually come with like photos and everything like that, but I decided to only get the door hanger that they had, and then also the photo cards. They usually have like A4 sized photos, but I didn't really see a need for it. Let's see. I think the photo cards are in here, so let's open this part, and then the door hanger is in here. Okay, so here's like their little thank you card for joining, and then there was 2 cards. So there was the member selfie, and then the actual like concept, and then the pre-order benefits for K-Town, so those were the two of them that I got. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. But we'll put that aside for now because I think that's the most exciting part. But you guys already saw what it looks like. And then here's the door hanger. Okay, here's the door hanger. There's Jisung, and then the back, it has a little note, and it says restroom. I just think it's really funny. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but it's a really cute addition to the theme. Okay, anyways, let's now open the cards. So here are the photo cards, here's the selfie version, and then here's the pre-order benefit. This is actually, I think, my first pre-order benefit, so that's a milestone accomplished. I've seen this all over like Instagram and YouTube already, but I still can't get over how I love the design of it. Like, they made an actual card look to it, so that is very cute. And then here's the pre-order benefit. It's kind of like a matte feeling to it. And here's the back. I really like the back of the pre-order benefit. Very, very nice design. So I'm gonna add that into my journal. I'm planning on decorating this, but for now it's very plain. This is my photo card journal, a photo card binder. It's not a binder, like my photo card album holder. But here are all of the things, and then I think I had a slot for them. Oh, it's here. Okay, this part is a little bit more completed, and I've added these in. I think I'll put it off to the side for now, but hopefully I figure out what to do with it soon. Here is the back page, and I wanted to decorate it just a little bit, and I don't think I'll add like these because I don't really see a need. I don't believe I'll be taking this outside where it'll actually get lost. So I'm just gonna decorate my name portion. All of my footage for me decorating this disappeared. So here is a little update of what I decorated. I used a lot of purple stickers, and I tried my best to just write my name. I honestly don't know what else I'm going to add on here, but we'll figure that out for later. I decided for the first spread that I wanted to do, I was going to do a universe spread. So for their comeback, NCT released their universe album. One of the unfortunate things that I didn't do was bring some of the little papers or lyric books that the universe album had, but that's perfectly fine because I did bring their stickers. I think this is a general layout that I'm gonna go for. I try to go for a little bit more of a scrapbook feel, and then obviously I'm gonna add some stickers, but that will be for later. So let's all glue this down together. I think my main goal for this journal is just like a CT journal, but at this rate I still don't know what I'm going for. I just really wanted to buy the diary. Okay, I'm gonna add a little Okay, here is the entire look to my first spread. I actually really enjoy how it turned out. I was a little worried because it's such a big spread. I was scared that I wouldn't have enough, like I would have too much space and there would be a lot of blank space, but I think I filled it out pretty well, so that's pretty good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna end it